Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is it going? And for today's video, I'm going to propagate my Cotyledon Orbiculata variegata. It's a mouthful though, but yes, this is my mini propagation corner. This is where I put my succulents and cactuses. And yes, for today we're going to propagate and chop off the head of my Cotyledon. So join me as I do this video. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're not new to my channel, thank you so much for making it through. So without further ado, let's get started. So this one is Cotyledon Orbiculata variegata. This one is a native to South Africa and is a thinner variation of Orbiculata because we have a lot of types of Orbiculata. Some are bumpy, some are rounder and chubby and all that. But this one looks like a baby finger. You can see, this one looks like a finger type leaves, and it can grow up to 75 cm tall using a spiral growth pattern, giving it a real alternative look. So this one is also similar with senecio serpents, if you're familiar with that, or blue chalk sticks they call. But this one though has a red tip which contrasts perfectly and creates sculpture in itself. So this one is a perfect house plant. It would also look beautiful planted in a mixed succulent display. You can put this as a centerpiece for your dining table if you have party or dinner night. Yeah, you can do this as your centerpiece all together with beautiful succulents and cactuses in one nice porcelain bowl and all that.